Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, and in this tutorial I am going to explain you what is a delete statement and how to use it with different examples. The SQL delete query is used for deleting the existing records which are present in the table. If you have one table, for example if you have employees table which has 10 records present, and if you want to delete certain records from that table, we can use the delete statement here. We can also use where clause with delete query for deleting the selected rows, otherwise all the records would be deleted. So here is the basic syntax of delete query. Delete from, we have to give table name here, and after that where condition. Let me show you with some examples. This is the SQL command line interface, and today we are going to use delete statement on the students table. Let me show you its metadata. DESC students. So there are 3 columns present in this table along with its data types. Let me show you the records present in this table. Select star from students. So there are 5 records present in this table. Let me show you how to delete 5th record. We have to give delete from table name which is students. We have to use where condition here. Where student number, we have to give column name here, and again student number we have to delete. So 200600105. This record is deleted from the table. Let me show you. Select star from students. See, only 4 records are present in this table now. We can also use and or condition to delete multiple records. Let me show you how to do it. Delete from students where student no equals to 200600102 or student no equals to 200600104. We have selected 2 student numbers by using OR condition in the where clause. After semicolon and enter, 2 rows are deleted. Let me show you. Select from students. Here you can see only 2 records are present now. If you want to delete entire data in the table, we just have to type delete from students. The remaining 2 rows are deleted from the table. Let me show you how it looks like. Select star from students. Here you can see no rows selected. So all the records have been deleted. We can also use Truncate table command to delete the entire records from the table. To do this, I have to reload all the records in the students. Let me do this. As you can see, I have again inserted all the records in the student table by using insert command. Let me show you the data. Select star from students. Here you can see all the records. If you want to delete all the records, we can use Truncate command. All we have to do is truncate table and table name which is students. So the table has been truncated. Let me show you how it looks like. select star from students. Here you can see no records are present in the students table. I have briefly explained in this video how to use delete command to delete all the records or the selected records from the table, and also the truncate command which we can use to delete all the records. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also ring the notification bell to get latest updates.